What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be riding a mini bike, and so I had to set up the camera. So I'm gonna go set the camera up. I'll get back to you guys when I get on the mini bike. It's taking a while to find a spot for the camera. Alright, guys, I think I'm just gonna have the camera with me in my hand, so I might not go too fast. So I don't know. Alright, guys. I'm not gonna go too fast. I might go fast. This is fun. It's really bumpy right here also. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna go in the woods now, guys. I'll get back to you when I'm in the woods. Alright, guys, I'm in the woods. The good thing is that we have a trail, but there's like a lot of sand, like roots, like out in the ground. Hold on, okay, guys. Right here, there's like roots coming out of the ground. It's fun in the woods. Although, even though I can't even go fast, it's so fun. And maybe it sounds weird, but it's actually like fun and it's like get the hang of it. This is where I go really fast. But since I'm recording, I don't go fast because I had to do one-handed. It's kind of hard. Now I'm out back in the yard. So now I can go pretty fast, but not as fast as I usually go because I'm recording. I got 2 blisters on one of my pointer finger and one of my thumbs from holding the things to do hard or something. I keep on hearing cars behind me on the road. Alright, let's go back in the woods. Going back in the woods. Got an itch. There we go, got it. Got the itch, let's go. There's also this trail right here. There. But I'm not going to go through there because it's really bumpy. Alright, this is what I was talking about. Look. Whenever I hit that, my steering goes all wacky and I always feel like I'm about to crash into a tree. But I'm that good and I don't crash into a tree. Hold on, I got an itch again. Alright, let's go! Oh, God. That was scary. So I'm going to change the camera view for a second. There we go, guys. There's me. because I'm really sore. I'm fucking sweaty. Ah, my arm hurts. Oh, I got an itch. Do you ever get bugs in your eyes? Or like on your face when you're like riding or something? Yeah, I've been there. This is the worst camera work I've ever been. Worst camera work of 2018. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going to go in that one trail that I showed you guys. Holy crap! I can't do that. I can't go like that because it's facing towards me. Woo! The most parkour thing I've ever done in a mini biker now. Oh god! My turn, my flashy. I hit that one step. Alright, this part is ready like that. Oh my god, that stick's making that camera do that. Just so you guys know, I'm having steak tonight. Whoa. We're nearing the end of the video, guys. That means I go fast. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more mini bike videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.